Hello, my name is Samir.
Hello, my name is Jessica.
Nice to meet you, Jessica. How are you?
I am good, thank you. How are you?
I am good, thanks.
Where are you from?
I am from Martin, you?
I am from Elazig.
What do you do here?
I am a student, how about you?
I am a student, too.
Let's order some food and talk more.
Sounds great.
What would you like to order?
I would like to order pizza. How about you?
I want to eat pizza, too. Let's share pizza then.
Sounds great. What do you think of the restaurant?
I love this restaurant.
Can I see you again?
Sure, you can take my phone number and keep in touch.
Wow, that's great.
I need to go school now. I have a class. Nice to meet you again.
Nice to meet you, too.